sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man.
All right. Yo, what up? What up? What up?
Yo, what's up?
We are reacting to Avocado Animations.
Yes, sir.
And this is Birds for Some Reason. That's the title of the
Birds for Some Reason.
Yeah, that's the title of the video, man. So I don't really know what else. There's nothing else to it, bro. Like and subscribe, y'all. Click on notification bell because your boys are here for a good time and a long time. Long time.
No time.
Long time. Long time. And with that being said,
Birds for Some Reason. Let's get into it.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. So as I saw her ask her for her name,
That boy got a super
she
grill.
smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no
thank you, Leah. Hold on.
Hey, you doing it? Hey.
No. Is she beaking at? She beaking at my nigga. No, she beaking at my nigga, dog. No. She looked back and still beat. Nah, she looked back and still beat. The spin is crazy. Saw my man tearing up.
So sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels.
Hey.
Felt so real to me.
Look at her flashbacks.
She had to be an angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man. She was all alone. Said no, she didn't have
Oh shit.
What the hell? What was that?
That was kind of cold though.
Bro, that shit was kind of.
That shit was kind of
hard.
cold. Hold on, let me.
Choreography,
Should we
bird
read that back
choreography.
real quick? That shit was kind of cold. That shit went by too fast, bro.
It went by too fast.
Nah, bro. That's why you don't fuck with bird bitches.
Met her on the way
Know what
to
I'm saying?
Chicago.
Fuck bird assholes, man.
Bird for some reason.
Just dance.
Someone had a.
Fuck with them birdie hoes, man.
That was crazy, though.
She had my man's fucked up, and my man saw that shit. He was like, you know what? Nah, I'm gonna go with the dancing.
I'm a
nigga.
dance.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, let me. Hey, man, like you having a rough time, face ass. Like old girl started. She was beaking. She was a groupie bird. She was a bird bitch.
She was like,
She was a bird ass bitch.
birds.
She a bird, man.
Bird.
Met
Like,
her on the
literally.
way to
She was
Chicago.
beaking. Look at her.
Where she
My man's
was
got
had a
all
grill.
the grill in.
So
Stood up top. Oh, look at the eyebrows. In her face. She,
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, he
She
was
wasn't
snapping
even. She
then.
wasn't even paying attention to him though. To begin with, he had to get her attention. He had to slide on her. Like, watch this.
all alone. So
She's not even looking at him. Watch this.
for her name.
Got in her face like.
At me, I was surprised to see.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. He ain't. Nah, think about it, bro. He ain't doing shit though. What the fuck type of moves are these, my nigga?
And he black, too.
You saw how the other nigga came in and started.
Bird came in like.
He used his whole body. That nigga used his legs. This nigga over here just using his head and using his head and
I
feathers.
saw her ask her for her name. She smiled and looked.
He thought he ate.
Yeah, bro. Like now I'm thinking about it. Now that I deepen it,
Like, bro, you gotta like.
That was real into me. She said she didn't have
that nigga using legs. You see that?
She told me she was all alone. Said I know she didn't have one. She said just giving up, bitch.
Hey, she is.
That's the one I did.
Nah, I would've been mad too.
Beaking at my mans. And he not even paying her no attention.
Was living like that.
And he's crying.
Words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she
Oh my
feels.
God,
It felt so real to
that
me.
was good enough.
This girl, she had to be.
Hold on.
My man, she wants to dance.
She said, you know,
Yeah.
no matter
Yeah.
Use the leg, nigga.
Hey, shit.
That was fire.
That was hard, bro.
That was fire.
Was that a real song by
I have no. I hope it's not a real song. Cause we can't post this shit if it's a real song. We ain't gonna post this shit if it's a real song.
You're right.
It better be fucking fake. But hey, bro, that was hard though. Birds for some reason.
Birds for some reason.
Well, you walked outside and you seen two birds dancing at each other like that, long legged.
But I would record every single bit of it. I'll be like,
Oh no, I might get in the moment and start dancing with them niggas. If them niggas start dug in, I'm in that bitch.
oh
I'm in
yeah,
that-
they start done it.
Yeah,
bro.
I'm
That's
in that bitch.
Cold.
Oh my god, that bird was hitting a stanky leg on him, bro. That shit was crazy. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that
All
was
right.
hard.
All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh wait, that concludes that video, y'all. Like and subscribe. Click on notification bell because your boys are here for a good time. In a long time.
No time.
No time. It's your boy Jay.
Chris down.
Bye, y'all.